Hey parents! So you're thinking about getting your kid a petrol quad bike? That's exciting. But before you rev up that engine, let's walk through everything you need to know. I'm going to break down the crucial stuff that most salespeople won't tell you. Let's start with the most important part, matching your kid with the right size engine. This isn't like buying clothes where you can grow into it. For the younger riders, 6 to 8 years, 50cc is your sweet spot. Automatic transmission is best. Look for models with adjustable speed limiters. For preteens, 9-11 years, 70 to 90cc engines work well. Still stick with automatic. Speed limiters are still your friend. For teenagers, 12 to 15 years, 110, 125cc might be suitable. Can consider semi-automatic transmission. Speed limiters optional based on skill level. Let's talk money. And I mean all of it. The purchase price is just the beginning. You're looking at regular fuel costs, oil changes every few months, air filter maintenance, chain maintenance, tyre replacements, insurance, yes, you'll need it, proper safety gear. These are non-negotiable features your quad should have. Kill switch for emergencies, adjustable speed limiter, strong brakes with separate controls, chain guard, footwells or Nerf bars, bright colours for visibility. Here's what you're signing up for. Weekly chain checks and lubrication, regular oil level checks, air filter cleaning after dusty rides, tyre pressure checks before each ride, brake adjustment and testing, fuel system maintenance, regular bolt tightening. Before that first ride, you'll need DOT approved helmet, not a bike helmet, goggles, dust is no joke, chest protector, long sleeve jersey and pants, over the ankle boots, gloves designed for riding. No one's born knowing how to ride. Here's your game plan. Start with basic controls while engine is off. Practice in an open, flat area. Begin with walking speed only. Teach emergency procedures. Gradually increase speed as skills improve. Always supervise. No exceptions. Let's get serious for a moment. Check local age restrictions. Understand where riding is legal. Get proper insurance coverage. Register if required in your area. Know about noise restrictions. Learn from others' experiences. Don't buy too big thinking they'll grow into it. Never skip safety gear. Don't let friends ride without training. Never modify speed limiters too early. Don't skip maintenance checks. A petrol quad bike can be an amazing way to build confidence and create incredible family memories. But remember, this is a real vehicle with a real engine. Treat it with respect. Follow the safety guidelines, and you'll have years of fantastic riding ahead. Speaking of getting started right, head over to reroo.com. They've got an excellent selection of youth petrol quad bikes that come with all the right safety features built in. Thanks for watching, and let's keep our young riders safe out there.